Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your rear wiper blade on your Honda CRV. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull out on the arm and flip it out away from the vehicle. And then from here we're just going to rotate the blade away from the rear glass and it just pops right off. And then we're going to take our new blade, and I'll put a link in the description below the ones I like to use. I just get them off Amazon. So take your new blade, and this alignment pin is going to slide into this notch on the arm. So slide it through the back hole on the blade and then rotate it towards the glass. And now it is locked in. It's going to have a little bit of a pivot, but that's going to allow it to move back and forth when it goes up and down the glass. And that is it, guys. That's how you replace your wiper blade. Thanks for watching.